Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to buy an Apple gift card online in just a few simple steps. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Apple's official website or the Apple Store online. Once you're on the site, look for the Apple gift card option. Select the Apple gift card and choose whether you want a digital gift card delivered by email or a physical gift card shipped to an address. Next, choose the amount you want to load onto the gift card. Apple usually lets you select a preset amount or enter a custom value. After that, enter the recipient's email address if you're sending a digital gift card, or your shipping details if you're ordering a physical card. You can also add a personal message if you'd like. Now, add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted, then enter your payment details and confirm the purchase. Once the order is complete, digital Apple gift cards are usually delivered by email within minutes, while physical cards are shipped and arrive based on the delivery option you selected. And that's it. That's how you buy an Apple gift card online. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.